I'm going to steal Super Mario Plush's birthday cake. Ha 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 ha. Oh crap. Looks like I've been caught.
Cat Goomba. What the hell are you doing? And why were you trying to steal my birthday cake?
It's because you were starting grounded and punish videos out of all Bowser Fury enemies, so I wanted to get revenge on you by stealing your birthday cake and sharing it with my Bowser's Fury enemy friends.
Oh my god. Cat Goomba. I cannot believe you were trying to steal my birthday cake. That's it. Give me back my birthday cake. Now go home now while I call your parents.
Cat Goomba. We cannot believe you tried to steal SMP's birthday cake. That's it. You're punished for a week. Go to your room right now.